Hey, it's Sammy on April 3rd. We took 8 trades today in the Dow futures and pulled 304 points out of the market. Let's take a look and see how the day played out. Now, our first trades were break-even trades. We came into the market overnight. There was a lot of movement from that tariff, that liberation talk. So here we are. We're not locking at deviation 2 like we should. We had 25 points, but we got the trade protected and it's going to hit the break-even. I always say, no big deal. We move on. We look for that next opportunity. There is a clear sell break that we identified here. We're breaking through. We've got some pretty decent data, and I've got that trade protected once again in case anything happens here. You can see we had red news that did not have any effect, but shortly after, the market kicked in and started moving, and we're going to hit another break even. What I love about that break-even strategy is it allows me to focus on what I know is coming and how to leverage this data and take that trade, and it's gonna win. You can see I'm still working that sell break right here. We've got our trade protected once again, and we're coming down towards the overnight low to retest this floor area. But as we stall out here, we're gonna lock 31 points. You can look to the left. You can see we did tap that floor overnight, that ONL, the overnight low, and we are coming back in the market here. We are pushing through. We've got a full complement or confluence of data. We're going to go right down here, right by this deviation 2 line, and we're going to lock in 36 points. Now you can see the market data has flipped. The high time frames, all of the short data has decayed. Now we're working with short time frame data going long right before the open. Why? Because the market is overvalued on the short side. We need to rise before we'll sell again, so we're going to take advantage of it. We are going right up to tap that value area low, and we're going to smash right through it, 47 point take profit. You can see we've identified a gap long area. We tested it at the open. We came back down. We're testing this area again. There's multiple volatility breaks. Our momentum, sentiment are all kicking up to the high side. We know this is not the full move that we're looking to participate in, but this is a move for sure going up through a gap. We're going to lock in 77 points. Now here's the moves we've been looking for after the market open, went up. Let more sellers enter the market. It's very simple. We're following a trend here. We're breaking deviation. We're coming through the VPOC and 61.8 levels, and our data is firing up to pull this trade short. And we're going to take this short down to right around the overnight low is our plan. We're going to lock in 63 points here. You can see what happened. The market pulled back. It's rejecting deviation 2, but now it's coming back down through deviation 2. We're going to try and take this down to support 1. Now we're sliding into this 10 o'clock hour here. This is a new 4-hour bar and a new hour bar. It's really built up the data. We're taking it down to support. We're actually going to lock in 50 points here. Now, my wife had a little bit of a disagreement with me because, as you can see, the trade did actually hit support 1. We never fear leaving money on the table because there's plenty of opportunity throughout the day.